Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I make easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, then subscribe, like and share. So today we are trying out a Himachali recipe called Kheru. It's a curd or dahi based recipe, almost like a kadai, which you can have with rice or serve as a soup in the beginning of the meal. So let's have a look at what the ingredients are. The detailed ingredients list is in the description box below. Do check it out. So in here I have got 2 cups of curd, to which I have mixed 1 cup of plain water. I have just given it a nice mix and kept it aside. I also have 1 small onion sliced, a few green chillies chopped, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, dry red chillies, turmeric powder, coriander powder. We'll also need salt to taste and some oil. So let's start making the dish Kheru. The first step is to put a kadai on the fire. I poured 2 tablespoons of oil into the kadai and it's heated up nicely. Now in goes cumin seeds. We'll just let it pop for a minute. The cumin seeds have popped, so now we'll add in the whole coriander seeds and the red chillies. Just fry that so that the aroma comes. Now let's add in the onions and the green chillies. You don't want to brown the onions, you just lightly need to soften them or cook them. Now the onions are cooked well. In goes turmeric powder and coriander powder. We'll cook the powders for around 1 to 2 minutes. The masalas are cooked, so bring the flame to medium. And now we'll start pouring the curd mixture little by little. Before that, we need to add salt. I've added sufficient salt to the dish and given it a nice mix. Now we'll start adding the curd little by little. Keep mixing the curd. The curd's been mixed well and Kheru is ready. You can just switch off the gas, close this with a lid and leave it to sit for a few minutes. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with more exciting recipes, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Until I see you next time, bye!